What's up, fam? Let's unlock tightness, improve flexibility, and wake up the body with a 5-minute stretch routine designed to open your chest, loosen your hips, and boost circulation. If you're a desk worker that sits all day, this is a must. Or you're an active person or athlete that needs better mobility for better performance. Maybe you're just feeling stiff in the morning. I promise you, this will change your day. You don't need anything, just your body and a mat. And it can be done anywhere, at home, in the gym, or even at your desk. We're targeting the chest to counteract hunching and improve posture. Your spine and core to get that fluid, pain-free movement. Your hips and legs to increase mobility for better movement all day. I promise that by the end of the session, you'll feel refreshed, mobile, and ready to take on the day. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you at the end. So make sure you stick around. Let's hit the mat. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your lower back and straighten your arms. Push your arms forward and lift your chin slightly. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. Sitting and hunching over phones or computers tightens the chest and weakens the neck. This stretch reverses that posture and opens the lungs for better breathing. Beginners, use a towel or band if your hands don't reach. Advanced stretches, lean forward slightly for a deeper stretch. Think your upper body is open now? Just wait until we stretch the spine with the next move. Now let's stretch and lengthen the entire side of the body. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your right arm overhead, reaching to the left. Keep your hips square and avoid twisting. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides, or continuously alternate sides. This stretch loosens up the spine, ribs, and obliques, improving core mobility. Beginners, keep a small bend, don't overextend. Advanced stretches add a slight twist to deepen the stretch. Your spine is open, but your hips are still locked. Let's fix that. Now let's drop into a deep hip opening squat. Stand with feet wider than hip-width apart. Lower into a deep squat, bringing your elbows inside your knees. Press your palms together and gently press your knees outward. Hold for 1 minute, keeping the back straight. The frog squat unlocks tight hips, strengthens the lower body, and improves squat mobility. Beginners, use a wall or chair for balance. Advanced stretches, rock gently forward and back to increase mobility. Hips are feeling open? Let's take it a step further. Time to fine-tune hip mobility with seated rotations. Sit on the mat with knees bent and feet flat. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center. Alternate sides. Continue moving from side to side for 1 full minute. This lubricates the hip joints, improving flexibility and preventing stiffness. Beginners, move slowly and focus on controlled movement. Advanced stretches, hold each position for a few seconds to deepen the stretch. Now that your hips are loose, let's refine control with one final move. Let's finish strong with the dynamic lying hip mobility drill. Lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor. Lift them up in a 90-degree and move the bent knees in a circular motion for 30 seconds clockwise, then counterclockwise. This increases hip mobility, prevents stiffness, and improves athletic performance. Beginners keep movement small and slow. Advanced stretches straighten your leg for a deeper activation. Your hips and spine are open. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk for hours, your body needs more than just this routine. I've got a special gift for you. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and the best moves to stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. Go grab it now. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.